Okay, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today I got another product review. Like I said in the last video, I'll be reviewing a headset, a telephone headset, not a specific gaming headset like I normally review, but a company called Newbie, who I have worked for or have worked with in the past, sent me another headset. This is one of their newly released telephone headsets that just came out, and they wanted me to do a review on it, and I'll leave a link down in the description below if you guys are going to go pick this up after I finish my review. Also, if you could leave a like on this video and subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you guys know exactly when I upload. And yeah, without further ado, let's hop into the unboxing and first impressions / full review of the Newbie H360 telephone headset. Okay, so I got my handy dandy knife on hand. Make sure to always cut away from yourself and not towards yourself. I have made that mistake in the past, except actually, yep, there is one piece of tape covering this. I can just cut this off. There we go. There we go. Okay, that should open now. So I'm just gonna open the top. Also, Newbie sent me out 3 of these, which is pretty sick. So I was able to give them to my friends to review as well, and they gave their honest opinions. And I already know a little bit about what they think about the headset, since they did unbox theirs already. However, this is my copy of the headset. This is my own, which I will be keeping. Or I might give it away to a fan. Leave a comment down below what you guys think. But yeah, have a manual on how to use the headset. But it's pretty self-explanatory how a headset works. It's 3.5 millimeters. Has three dashes on the actual male audio jack. And this can be used on a console like PlayStation, Xbox One, a tablet if it has a headphone jack. And then it can also be used on a cell phone, iOS or Android, as well as Mac and Windows. So it's pretty easy to set up for Windows and Mac especially. It's usually just plug and play, which is pretty easy. And then on your phone it's even easier. You just plug it in and the audio will be transferred to the headset rather than coming out the speakers. So it's pretty self-explanatory. If you guys have any questions about how to use the headset, by all means, just comment down below and I can help you with that. I love helping people. But so in the box, it also comes with this. This is the main cable. It can actually convert the headset to USB, which is pretty sick. It's almost like an adapter. If whatever you're using doesn't have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, it actually gives you a adapter to use it. It has a mic on and off switch on here, and then I think it's kind of hard to see. Oh, cuts the volume, or mutes the volume, I'm sorry, and it has volume up, volume down, and then you would plug in the male part of the headset into here, like so. And now you can use USB audio, which is sick. Not many people know, but you actually can transfer audio through a USB, which is kind of sick. And then it comes with some cable clips just for some cable management. You can stick these on the side of your console or a laptop. I don't know why you'd want to do it on your laptop, but it easily allows you to like wrap your cable around it and stuff, and just helps for cable management and stuff like that. So that's everything that comes in the box. This will be my, I'm just going to throw this off to the side. That concludes the unboxing part of the video. Now I'm probably going to get into my first impressions, and then after that I will actually test out the headset, listen to the audio myself, test out the mic quality, and actually let you guys know how it sounds and what the mic sounds like as well. But it's a very lightweight headset. It's got good cushioning. I am not the biggest fan of on-ear style headsets / headphones. I said this in my last review when I reviewed their H6s, I believe they were called. I said in that video I don't really like on-ear headphones. However, those on-ear headphones were the best sounding on-ear headphones I've ever heard in my life, and I highly recommended them to you guys. So This is a similar style, except a lot more lightweight, and it doesn't have as good of a seal around your ear. It's not as tight, if you know what I mean. But it's no issue. I mean, this is a very budget headset, so you just have to keep that in mind when you're actually using it. And I'll leave a link, as I said earlier, down in the description if you guys want to go pick this up. But yeah, it's 3.5 millimeter jack. I can't speak. Hopefully you guys can see that properly. It's got the 3 pins, meaning the audio is going to be transferred as a, or Windows or your Mac is going to pick it up as a headset that can also take a audio input, such as a microphone, which is great. Hopefully the mic quality on this is good. From what my friends have said, they've used it on Xbox, and they said the mic quality was actually pretty decent. So pretty excited about that. Sadly, the mic cannot be tucked away. It's always kind of just hanging out here and stuff like that. I do like it when some companies take their headsets and you're able to fold it back in or even detach it. I think Astro does that, I'm pretty sure. But overall, it's a nice clean design. It says Newbie on the side right there. It's got good padding on the head, and overall, for a budget telephone headset / gaming headset, whatever you want to call it, I think it does the trick, honestly. It also has surprisingly good noise isolation, and the ear cups are very soft. I have literally no complaints. And then it has a metal adjusting band, which is sick. And you can also fold it in for compact storage, which is great. Except there's no real place to put the microphone, sadly. So you're just going to have to kind of just leave it be like that, or just fold it in somehow. You can make it work. But let me just test out the length of the cable real quick. I don't know what the actual length it specified was, but I can give you a pretty good estimate. To me, this looks like roughly 3 feet or 1 yard or 1 meter, however, if you use metric system. Looks like about 1 meter long in length. And as I said earlier, there's no detachable cable, so if this does break, sadly, you have to get a new headset. But it's a budget headset, so even if it does break, you can just get another one. And it also marks right and left on the inside of the headset. It's pretty easy to pick up. It's kind of annoying when companies don't put a big L and R on it. But yeah, it does fold flat as well, so you can store it like that and fold like that. However you want to do it. It's a very flexible headset, honestly, and doesn't feel like it's going to break at all. Very versatile, and it can work on literally any system. So now I'm going to give it a listen. I'm going to go test out the mic, probably put a mic sample in this video somewhere after this. So yeah, let's test. This is a test audio recording of the Newbie headset I'm currently reviewing. Let me know how this sounds. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. And then after this, I will do a audio review of the headset. Okay, guys. So currently you're listening to everything on the microphone on this Newbie headset. And overall, I think it sounds pretty decent. I'll probably put an audio sample in before this clip. But when speaking about the overall audio quality, in terms of like the headset and not the mic, it overall sounds pretty good. Very crystal clear, has some good spatial audio going on and stuff like that. Volume gets very, very, very loud, which I was surprised at. Maybe the overall seal could be a little better. However, it is pretty decent for a on-ear style headset, but I can't complain too much. And overall, I'm pretty impressed with this headset. It's very budget, and I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys want to go pick it up. But it's very budget, affordable for the average consumer, and I think it's a great buy if you're looking for a nice like telecommunicating headset for Zoom or Skype or something like that, or Teams, and also for Xbox or PlayStation or whatever game console you have. It all works great, and honestly, if you want to use this on a podcast, I think the audio is that good. If you apply some filters, I think you can make it even better, but it has a good rich sound to it. But yeah, in terms of the audio, audio actually coming out of the headset for listening to music and podcasts, it all sounds good. I had no real complaints. Maybe the bass was a little weak, but that's to be expected on a headset at this price point. Overall, the highs and mids were pretty solid overall. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Maybe be doing a tutorial on how to make a podcast, a budget podcast, or I might be doing another product review. So we'll see. I'll see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy. Make sure to subscribe. Let's get the number of subscribers up and viewership up. Peace, guys.